Crestview Estates is in Canyon, Texas. It's 180 homes, but showcasing of the neighborhood is very important. So as you come along the eastern boundary on the perimeter street, we only have these four homes that back that arterial street. Every other home fronts along the arterial street using the methods that we have developed. And that way you don't have to screen it and wall it, and it has an ugly look, but more of a welcoming look. It's very unique for the Canyon, Texas area. And then we have this main street approach that we do with all of our neighborhoods. Uh, the homes themselves are all going to be custom, but for time's sake, we develop a model. We typically like to develop about four models. This one we didn't. So there is in the graphics a little bit more, I'd call it repetition. But when you look at the shapes of the streetscape, even on a more of a long linear street, it still has a good meander. The sidewalks are going to meander, so you still have this streetscape in motion concept. Now here we have a one-way lane to keep the traffic flow to another street, and we're coming up to the main trail crossing through the neighborhood.
These pedestrian highways through the neighborhood is very important for not only usability but for also marketability. There's nothing like it in Canyon, Texas. So as the market comes through the neighborhood and they see the meandering and they see the space and they see this excitement and they discover how easy it is to walk through the neighborhood, they actually want to walk through the neighborhood, makes a major marketing advancement to neighborhood design. So the neighborhood is going to sell faster, it's going to be more premium, it's going to justify premiums, and it is going to be better not just for the developer, but for the residents and the city that had approved the plan.